Welcome back, guys and gals. Welcome back. It's about that time of day again. JJ here from schooloftrade.com. And, well, let's take a look at how we did today. First things first, I want to remind everybody, whether you're a free trial member, a beginner, intermediate, or advanced member, every single member that we have, whether you're a free trial, a beginner, intermediate, or advanced member, all of our members get access to our morning newsletter. Our morning newsletter for the past, 5, 6, 7 years have been posted for free on our blog, right? Those times have quickly changed, and now we're putting in a little bit more work each morning, a little bit more detail, and we're putting it up every morning before 8 a.m. Eastern Time. So at 8 a.m. Eastern Time, you can log right into your course materials. Again, this is included for free trial members as well. Scroll on down, and it's located right here on the left-hand side. Now, if you're a member of mine, it'll be under the beginners membership. It's called the morning newsletter. So beginners have access to it, intermediate and advanced members. If you're a trial member with me, you guys get some extra perks. As a trial member, I post a lot of the material that we do in our trade room, right, to show you how we did in the trade room each day. But as a trial member, I'm also going to invite you to come out and join me for this afternoon for our open house. So I'd like to invite you as a trial member to come out and see me. You want a link for that? You want an invite? Contact our office, and we'll send you an invitation link for this afternoon's live trade room open house. We'll do some live trading. We'll take a look at the patterns that we're using. You can learn more about our methodology. You can ask lots of questions. So don't forget, guys, our free trial is filled with lots of benefits. All right? It's definitely worth your time. Check it out. Now, we're talking now about the morning newsletter. Let's take a look here at what we posted in our course materials for all of our members to use at 8 a.m. Eastern Time. That's right. Before we took our very first trade of the morning, we projected specific levels that we were going to use today. Why would this be valuable? Because as a new trader, it's so important that when we come into the market each morning or each evening, doesn't matter to me, but guys, when you start your trading career, the biggest thing that I did wrong was I didn't have a plan ready for the day. If you don't have a plan, how can you work the plan? If you don't have a goal, how can you hit the goal? You see where I'm going with this? If you don't have a roadmap for your day and you don't know where you're going with that day, well, you're not going to get where you're trying to go. So we use the morning newsletter as our roadmap. And again, join the free trial, join as a member. It's up to you. You'll get a copy of the morning newsletter and you can see for yourself. Now, this morning, we'll start right with crude oil this morning. We used crude, gold, Russell, and euro. Okay, so we cover all four of those markets. I also cover the dollar. We cover the news that's happening right now. We cover the news that happened overnight. Guys, it's, I think it's the best way to get started. So check out the morning newsletter. Now, on the crude this morning, here's what we saw on the crude. On crude oil today, what did we get? We saw we had a reversal zone above us, a reversal zone below us. And again, as I always tell my students in the trade room, we're going to wait for price to go up into that reversal zone and we're going to sell it. We're going to wait for price to go down into that reversal zone and we're going to buy it. So here on crude oil, again, this chart is from 8 o'clock in the morning. We're going to go up into the reversal zone and sell it. Go down into the reversal zone and buy it. If we break out of that area, I've got reversal levels above me. I've got reversal levels below me. We're going to continue to use those levels above and below the range for those easy price reversals, those two-step patterns you guys hear me talk about, right, in our course material. So now you know what crude oil gave us this morning or what we thought was going to happen today. Let's see if we actually got what we had planned for today. And so what I'll do now is I'll bring up a crude oil chart here. Here's a live chart of crude oil. And we're going to see if the zones that we defined at 8 o'clock this morning for everybody, we're going to see if these zones actually played out to be very, very profitable. And what do we see here? Look what we have here. Yeah, I would say that was a pretty easy job today. Good work on this one. You'll notice we had two opportunities here to trade using the zones that we gave you this morning in the morning newsletter. The first one came selling the reversal zone at the top. The second one came buying the reversal zone at the bottom. Guys, it doesn't get much easier than that. This is the live chart. This is what's happening right now on crude oil. As I'm filming this at 12:30, we're over lunch right now. And you can see As a member of mine, I'll teach you how to trade these. But again, in the morning newsletter, we gave you guys the reversal zone above you. All you had to do was wait for it to collapse and get short. Easy money. Reversal zone below me. Wait for it to bounce and get long. Guys, it doesn't get much easier than that. Whether you're a brand new trader or you're a seasoned veteran, I'm doing the hard work for you. All you have to do is show up, find the areas on the morning newsletter, and trade the patterns that we're going to give you. All right? That's crude. Now, moving forward. Next up, let's take a look at what we have next. How about some gold? Now, gold, same thing. Gold, we gave you reversal zones at 1250, reversal zones at 1223, and we never left this range today on gold. So we gave you guys the zones on gold. You probably want to be careful after 1230 well, any day after 1230. Gold and euro, they're really early morning markets. So trading gold after lunch, be very, very careful. But as you can see, though, we gave you guys the gold direction this morning. We gave you guys the levels on gold this morning. Unfortunately, though, gold, we didn't get anything this morning on gold. Let me keep myself organized here. You'll see here on gold, though, that we simply didn't get to the highs or the lows, right? We haven't got there yet. We didn't get up and test the reversal zone. We didn't get down and test the reversal zone. So we're still waiting patiently here for gold to get down into the zone so we can buy it, or get up into the zone so I can sell it. So we had 2 for 2 on crude, 0 for 0 on gold. Moving forward, what do we have up next? The level that we use next here, let's look at Russell. Russell was a relatively easy one today. When we found the Russell this morning at 9:30, the Russell was actually trading right in the reversal zone that we gave you guys at 8 o'clock this morning. Remember, I'm going to sell that reversal zone and bring it back down. I'm going to buy that reversal zone and bring it back up. As you can see here, we have defined reversal zones on the Russell 962.8 and 953.8. Let's see what we got today out of the Russell. It looks like we should be selling short, right? That was the plan this morning on the Russell. Now let's see what actually happened. Here's the live Russell chart, and you can see 1 for 1 today on the Russell. Now, of course, we're not going to take this first fake out because the Russell opens up at 9:30, so we're going to wait till 9:30, right? Russell being an E-mini. We're going to wait till 9:30. After 9:30, though, we took these trades in the room today, 2-step pattern short, wave pattern short, right, on the way down. There were 3, possibly 4, depending on how quick you were, 3, possibly 4 different entry patterns to capitalize on what we gave to you ahead of time, well ahead of time in the morning newsletter. Are you seeing a trend here, right? The trend is straight up with our morning newsletter, right? This newsletter can be used in so many different markets: crude, gold, euro, Russell. Again, I'm putting the plan together for you every morning. Last but not least, how about the euro? The euro was another easy winner today. We didn't get all we wanted from the euro this morning. The dollar was a little bit chopped up here this morning, I think is why this thing was not working as we wanted it to. Here's what the levels look like, though, on the euro. Again, on the euro here, we gave you guys reversal zones here at 30.18 down to big round number of 3,000. 3107 to 3088. And what you're going to see is we provided additional resistance at 3061 to 3053. We did get the short off of that, but as we stand right now, though, we are trading right in the middle of this range right now. So we have not, well, actually what happened was price went up into the first sell zone. We sold short, goes down in the reversal zone. Now we're waiting to buy that as it leaves the reversal zone as we speak here today. So look at the real-time chart now on the euro, and you can see that's exactly what happened. Okay, this is the real-time chart now on this euro, and you can see here we did get one high percentage trade right at that 30.53 as we had defined earlier. Now we've buried ourselves into that reversal zone, and guys, you're looking good here for a long on the euro very, very soon. Just remember, though, this euro is going to wrap up here very, very soon. It's very late in the day for the euro and the gold right now. And remember, we're going to use that dollar correlation today to make all of our educated decisions on gold and euro, right? We talk about that in our training sessions. So we're waiting on Euro to give us our first high percentage buy out of this reversal zone right now as we speak. As you can see, folks, it doesn't get much easier than this. If you're a brand new trader looking for a plan every day, if you're an experienced trader looking for a community of other traders to work with and to trade with every day, I don't care whether you're looking for crude oil, gold, euro, Russell, scalping strategies, swing trading strategies, automated trading strategies. Boy, we do training ongoing every single day, and I'd love to invite you as part of your free trial to come out and join me in today's open house. This afternoon, I'm opening up the trade room for all the all the trial members, right? Invite you guys out to come see me, but you got to register for the trial. Contact the office. They'll give you the invite link you need to come out and join us this afternoon for the trade room. What a great Wednesday. We had inventories, we had GDP, an exciting day in our live trade room. Guys, the morning newsletter, open up that morning newsletter every morning. That's your roadmap. And I'll see you guys, same place, same time tomorrow morning. 8 a.m. Eastern time. Look for that morning newsletter, and we'll catch you guys on the flip side. Have a great afternoon. Be careful over lunch. Don't forget about that dollar correlation with the euro and gold. And guys, I'm always looking for feedback. I love your questions. Don't be afraid to post feedback below the video, post feedback or questions below the video, or email me at jj@schooloftrade. Have yourself a great day. Remember, you got to learn it so you can earn with it. Adios, amigos. Bye-bye for now.